Hey guys, today is a good day. Let's roll up here and see what I got. This arrived at my house. It's the Pit Boss Lexington wood pellet grill. It can cook up to 31 burgers or 3 chickens or 4 rib racks at one time. Wonder how many pulled porks it can do. So this is going to be a little bit of a different video today. We're going to unbox it and assemble it. We'll cook something on it on another day. So we're going to open the box right now and see what they sent us. So while she's opening this, I'll let you know what I know. It's a smoker, nothing special. It smokes meat. There's no fancy things in here. No AI or no real high tech. It's just a basic smoker with a controller. It doesn't have much automation, but I have my temp stick. That works for letting me know when stuff's done. So she pulled out a lot of cardboard and stuff. And she's gonna lift the box off here. Yeah, looks like a smoker. It's well packed. From what I'm told, it works off of wood pellets. It's got a hopper and everything. I don't know about you guys, but this looks like a whole unit. There's probably some minor pieces that have to be attached to the grill, like legs and handles and that sort of stuff. So this thing was pretty much already put together. Just have to put the legs on and stuff like that, and then this baby's pretty much done. Well, Patti said this thing is designed pretty well, so you really can't put it together wrong.
Hey, Rob, can you help me, please?
Sure. Hey, honey, how do you do this? Well, the last piece, I think I did a pretty good job putting this together. So once you put the legs on, it's pretty big. It's sort of ginormous. Well, it's all assembled and it's doing its factory burning right now. Probably take about 45 minutes. I'm not going to cook anything on it today. I'm going to do that on another Thursday. I might do a few of those on Thursday and call the series Throw It on Thursday. Well, I have to say, this is one of my top smokers.